Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Sue Creates here. I'm here to share with you an unboxing slash unbagging. And this is the Creative Notions subscription box for April. And Vicki informed us she was going to be a little late. She was waiting for some items to arrive. So apparently they did arrive. And she has shipped out the April box. Now, like I said, she is a little late because, shipping and with everything going on in the world these days, it's to be expected. So it was no big deal for me because I knew that when the box slash bag arrived, it was going to be well worth the wait. So when it came today, priority mail, I'm not working today. Many of you may or may not know, my full-time job, I have had my hours cut down, so I'm not working full-time anymore. I'm just kind of working per diem as needed. So today was one of the days I'm not working. Tomorrow I am. So I was thrilled when I was not working today and a shipment came. Now, I've been ordering material from Etsy because I've been making masks. I can't even tell you how many I've made, but I'm finally caught up with orders. And finally got a chance to take a little break and to do some stamping and embroidering and just enjoying my crafting again. Not that the masks were not enjoyable, because they are, but any of you know that are out there making masks, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm stalling a little bit because if you have not yet received your shipment, click off now, because otherwise I don't want to ruin the surprise for you. So this is the April 2020 unbagging from CreativeNotionsQuiltShop.com. You can check Vicki out and the gang. They do a great job in these shipments that they send you each and every month. It's well worth the money. I thank them very much because they send these to me because I do the unbagging and unboxing, and I invite others to join in. They also have one for children as well. So, the kiddos are home. They've been home. Who knows how much longer we'll all be home. But it's something great to get for them as well. So anyhow, I came home today. No, I didn't come home today. I've been home today. When I saw on the porch, I've been ordering all my material, most of it through Etsy. Some from eBay, but mostly through Etsy. I figure help out the home businesses. So when the bag came today, I didn't even look who it was from, and I right away thought it was the fabric I had just ordered and was like, wow, that came quick. When I opened it, I saw that it was this, but I didn't look any further. The other side, when I turn it around, you'll see that I kind of saw something, but anyhow, if you've not gotten it, you don't want to look, turn away and come back later. But be sure to come back. If you're a new subscriber, I'd like to welcome you. Thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. I know my videos have been very sparse lately. It's just been, you would think not working I would have more time, but the masks have just consumed all of my spare time. Anyhow, let's take a look and see. So this is the April 2020 Creative Notions Quilt Shop subscription box that you can subscribe to each and every month. So, it was so tightly in the package, I wanted to put it back in, but I thought there was no way I was going to get it back in again, so I just thought, I'm just going to go with it. But look at how cute. And this is like this is like padded. It's so super soft, but are you ready? Okay, now's your chance to turn away. Turn off, postpone, come back later. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at this. Is this not beautiful? Oh my goodness, look at with the vinyl clear packaging on here. What do you want to call this? Clear vinyl. I did order some of this vinyl quite a while back and I have not used it yet, but look at this cute bag. I would assume that Vicki made these. Look at with the zipper and look at all the goodies inside. She's been giving us little hints with ladybugs, which I can see that, and bumblebees and all kind of fun things. So let's take a look. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at how beautiful this is. And look what it says inside. It says memory quilt, friendship quilt, calico, raw edge, grain stash, foundation piercing. How beautiful is this? And of course there is their Creative Notions little tag on here. And I love the smell of vinyl. Who else? Raise your hand. You love the smell of vinyl? I do. It's kind of like when you sniff books. Do you sniff books too? Okay, please don't let me be the only weirdo out there. So let's look at all this stuff. Oh, this is so worth the wait. Look, we got washi tape. Ooh, bunny tails. Oh, little marshmallows. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, look at this bag though. Look, and it has a pretty little handle on it. And look at with the little buttons. This is going to be so fantastic to store projects that I'm working on. And like I said, this is all padded. And look at how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. Love it. And here's their little tag on here too. Oh my goodness. I hope, Vicki, you show us how to make this. I would love to make these. Many of you may or may not know I'm a crafter, a stamper. And I think these would be fantastic to make. And maybe embroider a name on here at my embroidery machine. Oh, it's limitless. So let's see. We have some jumbo rickrack. My goodness, 100% cotton, sugar and spice textiles, which they've been doing a lot of things with Vicki and Creative Notions. So that's fun. We have some 12 plywood decorative bug buttons. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness, you guys are over here. I'm going to have to scooch my chair over there. Look at how cute they are. And there's like a little flower underneath. They are so cute. And let's see, I don't even know what to get first. Maker's Planner washi tape. So many of you know, this is by Sugar and Spice Studio as well. Many of you know in January, Vicki sent us a Maker's Planner book. So this, every month she seems to add a little something more to that. So this is fun washi tape. And it's so cute. It's saying quilting is not just a craft, it's therapy. Quilt in days that, well, I don't know. I don't want to open it. I always like, I don't know, I never want to open new things, you know, except the candy. Of course I'll open that. Get this open. Sorry about that delay, but a little bit of tape on there. And I'm afraid of when I'm going to go to open it, it's going to come flying out. You know how that is, right? Love that sound. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So we have this one here that has 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch. So it's like tape that has 1/4 inch markings. That'd be great when you're sewing to put on your sewing machine. Begin each day with a, and I gotta take this apart to see, with a grateful heart, I believe. Hard to see. Okay. Begin each day with a grateful heart. Isn't that cute? And we have, love is the thread that binds us. All, maybe? That binds us. Look at how cute that is. And I don't want to get it all stuck, but I'm going to stick it over there. And then we have, this was the one I read before, quilting is not just craft, it's therapy. That's super cute. And here's a little tip for you people that may not know. Look at how cute that is. You know the little bread ties? The bread ties are a great thing to put on the end of this so that instead of having to pick out, now the first time peeling these off, they have it folded over, which you can do that. But if you stick a little bread tie on there, that will help you in the future. Okay, we did that one. So, quilt in days that end in Y. Oh, I only quilt in days that end in Y. That's so cute. And we have Believe You Can. Okay, that didn't work out as planned. Believe You Can, and you are halfway there. Oh, I love this washi. I mean, I love it for, I have a piece stuck to me, for packaging as well. So, for sealing envelopes. I love quilting. Super cute. I love that, Vicki. Love, 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 love. Okay, that. Here we have Scatter Seeds of Kindness. So let's see here. Here's another idea for using your washi tape. And in here we have our little Zappy Dot. And look how pretty that, use her over here. Look how pretty that is. It's like a quilt. I love that. And they're magnetic if you don't know about that. And this says Amanda Murphy Stardust Blue Ceramic Magnet. And you can find Zappy Dots at zappydots.com. Use our decorative magnet alone or with our interchangeable magnetic jewelry. And Vicki in the past has sent us some jewelry. So let's see what else we have. We have carrot cookies. Oh, I've been dying for cookies lately. This being tied up in the house is making me want to eat. I'm going to have to join Weight Watchers again when I'm finally able to. But this is fun because it has cocoa in it. And this is by Ronnie Clark. And it has pretty much everything I have in the house, but I don't have sweetened condensed milk. So that's an easy thing to get. And on the back is more room if you want to make notes or add something else. But they sound delicious. And I like that it's actually with carrots. Sometimes it's carrot cake, but you know, you never really find the carrots. Okay, then we have April 2020 subscription. Oh, so then don't forget, we have our little bunny marshmallows, little bunny tails. They're so cute. Making memories one stitch at a time. The value is $64.50. And I'm telling you, you don't even pay that much. It's such a great value. So we have a beautiful fabric is made by Sugar and Spice Textile. You're getting 2 sets of 5 fat quarters of cotton rainbow solids. It's the same fabric as the white fabric sent you in the February package. Oh, and that was really nice. And by the way, I used that, Vicki, for making my masks. So I didn't have any fabric to make the ties when I didn't have elastic. So you guys helped me with elastic. So if you guys need elastic, Vicki and her gang have elastic and the ties, the little metal ties to put in your masks. So you're getting 2 fat quarters of Garden Bugs, value $6. Amazing project bag. Yes, this is an amazing project bag. 12 by 15, value of $15. We normally put our fabrics in a cute drawstring bag for you. We hope you don't mind. We send you a beautiful and useful project bag instead. Bag is made of great quality fabric, zipper, and vinyl will help you keep your projects organized until you can get to them. And it's perfect for those UFOs, which are unfinished objects. Unfinished, I'm thinking. So the Zappy Dot with the $350 value. Jumbo Rick Rack, 7 yards at $10. And washi tape, especially made with the value of $10. So they have a UFO challenge until the end of July is to finish up as many as possible and post them on their group page. And they're going to have a celebration with lots of prizes. So, okay. Any subscribers receive 15% off any time using friends. Oh, that's just for subscription people. And here it is about making packs of elastic and wire. Each pack will make about 20 masks. And they only want you to pay for shipping. So the winners of the pre-cut fabrics, our winning recipe is Ronnie Clark. We have 2 winners, Shelley Stewart and Peggy Kern. So, and she just asked us to say a prayer for those succumb to illness. Remember, all we can do. So please take a moment for that. And here is their information. If you want to take a screenshot of that, be sure to go and check them out online. They have a great store and great items. So here is, oh, I love this ribbon too. Ribbon is fun. Look at making memories one stitch at a time. Creative notions. I love that. And here's the cute little ladybug fabric. Oh my gosh! And butterflies. And yes, she showed us the butterflies. Look how cute. And then here is all of the rainbow solids. There's 2 fat quarter bundles. Real pretty color fabrics. Pretty, pretty. And here's the other one. And it's truly all the colors under the rainbow. I mean, beautiful. And look at how beautiful that fabric. Oh, I love that other fabric. And I'm running out of time. Whimsy Garden Quilt. Look how pretty that is. And finished size is 64 by 68. And let's see. This is a nice quality paper. So here are all the directions on how to put it together and to cut out your fabric. So thank you for that. But what a great box. If you're not yet a member, what are you waiting for? go subscribe. Look at all the great goodies we got this month. So thanks so much for watching.